Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Amma ba'du. So guys, how are you doing today? So in this beautiful occasion, I would like to teach you of how to make a simple application simple Flutter application on your Visual Studio Code or any other IDE options. So the theme of the application is will be food, like kind of food application. So I'm gonna show you the for make it clear and for make you understand of what we make in this project. So I'm gonna show you the result of this food project. Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna start it. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, so this is my food project that I will teach you all guys. So in this project, for the very first screen, there is the hum or like welcoming screen, like you usually use on any other application Android. Okay, so in here there is the welcoming opening, and then welcoming simple opening, and then if if I click the enter button, it will bring us to the home of the food option of or the list of the food. So in here the theme is traditional food in my country, which is Indonesia, Indonesian food. And then this is there is many of God foods, and then if I click one of them, it will bring us to the detail page of the food of the food. Okay, but in here in this project in this video in this content we'll just make the simple application, which is just have one card, and then the card is contain all the card is covering all the screen like this. This is uh, there are two cards each row. There are two cards, but we'll make just one card in row, and then the card is covering all the screen. Okay, without further ado, let's just start the tips and tricks. Okay, but disclaimer: if you guys uh, just using just or just want to make the project, or you are very first making this project or Flutter project, so you may download your IDE or the tools for writing your code. For example, in here I use Visual Studio Code, and for the emulator I use Android Studio. So you have to download uh, one of the IDE, and then once more for the emulator. Okay, if you have downloaded the IDE, so you can just go to the if is in Visual Studio Code, you may go to extension, but if you are using Android Studio, you may go to settings and search plugins. Okay, so in Visual Studio Code, you may go to extension and search for Flutter. Okay, so guys, if you are loading the Flutter, it it is contained with Dart also. So if you download the Flutter, you automatically download the Dart as well. So like this. Okay. After that, you can make your very first folder or very first project on your Visual Studio Code. Okay. How to make it? Okay, we just make files and then sorry, but we can go to command palette and then Flutter new project. And which Flutter template you can just pick or choose the application project. And then this is the folder to create the project info, and this is the folder where your project is in. Okay, you can just here I will choose the Android source code, and then you can just select a folder to create the project in. After that, this is the input of your project name. For example, in here I will just use food list or food list, yeah, or traditional food. Okay, you may, if it is clear, you may enter, and it will make you the Flutter project, and then you can just waiting this until it's done. Okay, so this is your very first project. So this is the starter project from the Flutter. So this is the counter application or the increment application. So if you want to see result, this result, you may just debug. But before that, you can start your emulator first, and then you can just debug. Okay. But in here, we will not make uh, some some of some of like this application, but we will make the the detail of the food application. Okay. Maybe in this video this I will not make this home page and then this welcome page also, but I will just make this the detail page. Okay, so you may control A and delete all of your code that is given by Flutter. Okay, and then first of all, if you want to code the Flutter project, you need to import first. Import material dart. Okay, after that you can make a function to start your project. App. Okay, after that you can just write STL, and then this is you can just change into makeup. After that you can write in here material app, and then for the title maybe Flutter good, yeah, Flutter demo. And for the theme, I will use primary swatch primary switch, colors blue. Okay, what is this? Oh, after that, you can just write in above the theme. It is home on homepage, my homepage. Okay, and then in here above the my app class, you can just so maybe I will write to add the cons first, and then in here you may write RPL, and then in here you can just make it same as the home class. It is my home page. Okay. So for make it clear, we can run first to our computer. So you can just click debug, and then it will change from our previous project into our new project. Okay, we can just wait. Okay, so this application is already stopped. Ah, so because of we are adding the placeholder class, so it will show like this one. So if you return it to scaffold, it will change into this. Okay. After this, we may maybe we will not use F bar, but we can just use body. Okay. So first of all, you can just write single tube, single tube for view, and for the child, it's you can just write safe area, safe area, and then for the child also, you can just write it columns, yes, or maybe a container. And for the margin, you can just add SG instead only top and 20. And for child, you can just write column. For the children, you can type for the type of widget is widget. And then for the cross axis alignment, it is stretch. Right. Okay. After that, you can write click correct, and for the field is image network. So this is the very first our image. So you can just uh, go to Google Chrome, and in this I will use Pinterest for searching the image of the food. So I will just search maybe fried rice. Okay, this is same as our previous project. No problem. Okay, so you can just control it. Ah, in here it is already it's already feel as good as possible, but it is still have minds because it is too close or it's lying on the side of the page. So we'll make a little little space. Okay, so you can just cut and then add padding. For padding, it is called that J insert symmetric horizontal 30. Then you can save. Okay, so you see your project is changing. After that, inside of the clip array, don't forget to add body radius. Maybe it is not enough. Okay, and then for the next widget, we'll use text. For the text is fried rice. So this text is uh, related to the image. The title, name of the food. Don't forget to add text line, enter, and don't forget also to add style for making the font is bigger. Okay, very fresh. After that, or maybe it is not enough, uh, maybe 40. After that, you can write font weight or make it bold. And then don't forget to add size box for make the gap between text and the image. Okay, and then this the maybe the second last widget will use again text for the description, or maybe we'll use a container. Or we can just use text. Okay, and then you can search for the description of the food. Ah, okay, you can just copy and then you can put in here. Don't forget to wrap it for okay, or maybe I'll just use container for make it there is the padding. Okay, then don't forget to text line is center. So this is the last part of our application. So we'll make the last application, last widget. You can just type this field, and for the children, this widget. Okay, don't forget to add padding. Okay, don't forget to size box, and don't forget to add height. Maybe 8. For the tilt, it is image network. Okay, you can just choose anything you want. Okay, and don't forget to tap it to click erect or make it there is the border radius. Then we can ah, after that you can just copy all of these paddings. Ah, then you can save it. Okay. So for the default of the scroll direction for the list view, it is the default is vertical. So you need to change it into axis horizontal, ah, like this one. Guys, well, and don't forget to okay, guys. So we have made a simple detailed page of the food. So maybe that's all from me. So I will challenge for the challenge. I will ask you guys for how to make it the these three image is moving into the center of the screen. So it is the challenge for you guys. Good luck, and we'll meet again in other episodes of this channel.